Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am A. Purnaseshan, Department of Information Science and Engineering, USN 1VE22 IS001, Subject Biology for Engineers. Today, the main topic of our presentation is structure and function of animal cell. Animal cell basically contains cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, lysosomes and many more. Let us see one by one in detail. Coming to introduction of animal cell structure and function, animal cells are the basic structural and functional units of all living organisms. They contain various organelles that carry out specific functions essential for cell survival. Understanding the structure and function of animal cells is crucial for comprehending how organisms function. In right hand side, you can see the detailed structure of how animal cell looks. Let us see one by one. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable barrier that surrounds the cell. It regulates the passage of substance in and out of the cell. The cell membrane also plays a role in cell communication and recognition. Here you can see the detailed structure of cell membrane, which contain carbohydrate chain and membrane proteins. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, containing the genetic material, that is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It directs the activities of the cell and is responsible for cell division. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. Endoplasmic reticulum, also called as ER. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes involved in protein and lipid synthesis, where protein and lipids are biomolecules. There are two types of ER, that is rough ER and studded with ribosomes, and smooth ER involved in lipid metabolism. The ER plays a crucial role in the transportation of molecules within the cell. Here you can see how exactly ER looks. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for processing, packaging, and shipping proteins and lipids biomolecules. It contains of flattened membrane bound sacs called cisternae. The Golgi apparatus modifies proteins by adding sugar molecules to them. Here you can see the detailed structure of Golgi apparatus that contains biomolecules such as proteins and lipids. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell due to their role in energy production. They generate ATP through the process of cellular respiration, whereas ATP is known as adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria contain their own DNA and replicate independently of the cell. Here you can see detailed structure of mitochondria that contains inner membrane, intermembrane space, matrix, outer membrane, DNA, and ribosomes. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are organelles filled with digestive enzymes that break down cellular waste and debris. They are involved in the recycling of cellular components to autophagy. Lysosomes also play a role in cell death and defense against pathogens. Lysosomes are the organelles responsible for breaking down cellular waste. They are filled with digestive enzymes. Lysosomes have a low pH on the inside, meaning they are acidic. That allows the digestive enzymes to work. Cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments that provide structural support and shape to the cell. It is composed of microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. The cytoskeleton is involved in cell movement, division, and intracellular transport. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are membrane-bound organelles that store water, nutrients, and waste products. In plant cell, vacuoles can make up a significant portion of cell volume. Vacuoles play a role in maintaining turgor pressure and regulating cell size. So a vacuole is a structure that is inside the cell that contains cells or fluid surrounded by a single membrane called tonoplast. Example, the large central vacuole of a plant cell. Finally, animal cells are complex structures with specialized organelles that carry out specific functions. The coordination of these organelles is essential for the survival and functioning of the cell. Understanding the structure and function of animal cells provides insights into the workings of living organisms. So these are some structure and functions of an animal cell. Thank you.